Alright, so today's project is I'm in the new 160, the Hyundai. And let me show you what we're going to be doing. I'm not used to that. Got to flip that little lever up over here. I'm used to the old bar sticking up. Today we're going to work on cutting a road in here. And just gonna come back into here. Let's say there's, I think it's about 340 feet, 350 feet, somewhere in that ballpark range. So anyhow, so that's what we're looking at doing here now. So we'll see what happens. But the homeowner didn't want me to make a swale here on this upper side to catch some of this runoff water, and I don't know if that's a good idea. I'll see when I start into it whether I tell them we're just gonna have to do it. Anyhow, so that's what we're doing today. Alright, here's day 2. It's already midday. We kind of got some late starts, had a doctor appointment this morning and whatnot. Just kind of getting this driveway in here. So as far as the 160 goes here, the Hyundai, the things I like, things I don't like. The digging motion of it, with the boom and the stick and the bucket and all that, I think it's great. I think the actual digging's pretty smooth. It actually digs really fast. It actually has a lot more power than what I anticipated. The 4-foot tooth bucket up there, the side cuts on it, it brings that through the ground like nothing, which really impresses me. Thing I don't like the tracking on the system. It's the tracking's a little rough, a little jumpy. I don't care for that myself, so I'm not sure what to think about that yet. I mean, like I said, the main thing this thing's going to be doing is digging basements here, and I believe it's going to do real well at that. Like I said, the 4-foot to 48-inch tooth bucket up here with the side cuts on it, it just brings it through. This is hard clay where we're at here right now, and the virgin soil here, I mean, it brought that bucket back through it with ease, which I was actually really surprised. I thought it would have maybe done a little hesitating. You know, sometimes those side cuts make them dig a little harder too. So, like I said, it did really impress me. So yeah, but like I said, so far though, everything seems to be really well with it, and we'll see. I mean, we'll keep giving her a try here and see what happens, but I think we'll be happy with it overall. So anyhow, so as far as the driveway, this is all the farther we're going, right back to here. So that's pretty much it. Alright, here we're on that driveway job, finishing up. So, what we did here, we dug this. He's putting a barn in here, the bank barn. Obviously that low side, it's got to be dug out for it to daylight out and whatnot. But we'll do that later. But anyhow, so that's why he's putting the drive in. He's going to build a house up on the hill up there. As well, but not till a bit later on here. So show you what this kind of looks like. So anyhow, so this hole here is about 1,900 square foot for the barn. We dug that today. Finished doing the driveway. I got a little mud on it from the tracks up here from the hoe just now, but that'll be all right. As you can see, it turned out not too bad from what it was here. Pretty nice grade getting up here. So we didn't do a swale on the upper side here, and you know, we've been getting all that rain, and honestly it's been fine. So I don't think we're gonna need to. And the homeowner didn't really want one. I was kind of recommending we should, but I think it's going to be fine. I mean, we've been getting a lot of rain here last few days, and
we didn't have anything wash on this. We didn't really even see where water had been running down this. So it's probably gonna be okay. So anyhow, we did all this with the new Hyundai 160, and it done real well. So far we're happy with that machine. So I mean, that 1,900 square foot hole up there, it dug that out real well today. So, but yeah. So we put this, started this in a couple years back. It's been a few years now, but so we just extended it from at these markers here the rest of the way back up the hill. So anyhow, that's what it looks like.